Folks, Shead here. Hey, it's super windy out here today. We left home, we're about a half hour from the lake, and it was dead calm, 35, nice sunny day. We get here and it's gusty. So what I'm doing, it's super gusty. I'm not dressed for this at all. Didn't even bring a shack because it was so nice. What I'm doing, I've got the Vexilar set up on the upwind side of the hole. If I would, turn this so that it would be blocking the hole, and I'd be looking at it with my back to the hole, the screen of the Vexilar would just fill right up with snow. So I'm going sideways, and if you look at the path of the snow, you can actually see it coming around. It's funneling around and over the hole. I've kept the berm up on this end here, but I've let it go down there. You can actually see the snow is blowing right past it. The fish are actually cooperating a little bit. Every hole we go to, we get some action right away, and then it kind of tapers off. But it's nasty and miserable conditions. There's a guy out here, wind sailing out on the ice, which looks really cool. But we're enduring. If I had to go back and do it again, I'd have brought a shack and dressed differently. But we're surviving.